To connect Oppo A6 Pro 5G with a car, first of all, you will need to open settings on your phone. Next step is to enter the connection and sharing, and then we can go to Android Auto. Inside, it may open your Google Play Store, where you will need to download the newest update for Android Auto, but when it doesn't, then just open the app and click on plus button to connect your vehicle. There's two options for that. First one is through the cable. That means you will need to find a cable that allows you to connect your car and your phone together. If you have that, then connect it and you should be able to progress the setup from here, just after the connection. If this didn't work, you can always try to use a Bluetooth wireless connection. So to do that, click on connect using wireless Bluetooth and enter a pairing mode on your car. If you don't know how to do it, then I would recommend to check online for your specific car model and then how to enter pairing mode on it. You should find a tutorial for that. Enter pairing mode and then select connect using Bluetooth. Pair a vehicle and then look for your specific vehicle model or its name on this list in available devices. Select your car, click on connect and move through the last stage of the setup, which should connect your car and your phone together. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.